Carnegie Triple X, lower body, week 1.
Okay, 12 booty calls now. Good, so we've done full, low range, now we're doing high range and then full again. Good, now full range, that's it. Without stopping at the top if you can, just continue it. Good, other side now. Good, just like the other side, now we're going to do 12 full, 12 low, 12 high, and 12 full. Excellent technique, that's it. Nice and quick, continuous movements. And full range now. Excellent, now forward.
Carnegie Triple X coming soon. Look how much I've changed in just a week. If I can do it, you can do it too. Bye everyone. Watch me shrink.